Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. September is National Preparedness Month here in the United States, and it's a time dedicated to reminding us all that disasters can strike at any moment, whether it's a hurricane, a tornado, flood, wildfire, or even just a prolonged power outage. Preparedness doesn't have to be overwhelming. So today I want to share 3 simple ways that you can start preparing right now without breaking the bank or needing a huge stockpile of stuff. Start with a basic emergency kit. Start small. Think about the essentials that you'll need for at least 3 days if the power went out or if you couldn't leave your home. Think about water, non-perishable food, a flashlight with extra batteries, basic first aid supplies. And it doesn't have to be fancy. Just start with collecting a little bit slowly. 2. Make a family communication plan. During disasters, cell networks most likely would go down or quickly become overloaded. So sit down with your family and decide, who will you call if you're separated? Where will you meet if you can't go home? And do you have an out-of-town contact person that everyone knows to call and check in with? Writing this down and making sure everyone knows the plan is more powerful than any gear that you can buy. The third step, quite easy. Know your local risks. I don't know where you live or what emergencies, natural, man-made, that can happen where you're at. However, you are the person that would most likely understand the natural disasters that may occur there. But remember, preparedness looks different depending on where you live. So if you're on the coast, hurricanes might be your biggest threat. If you're in the Midwest, it may be tornadoes, or out west, it could be wildfires or earthquakes. Learn your local hazards. You can sign up for local alerts and practice what you'd do in those situations. Preparedness doesn't happen overnight, and it's a journey. But by starting with these 3 simple steps, which is a basic kit, a family plan, and knowing your risks, you're already ahead of the curve. This September, let's take National Preparedness Month seriously and take action, because being prepared today could make all the difference tomorrow. Thank you folks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and share this with your friends and family. Remember, be prepared, get proper training, and learn new skills. Visit us on the web at www.venerableowl.com. Thank you all for watching.